Hello. Good morning.
Morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, and you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
I'm John. And you are?
I'm Lisa. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lisa. Where do you come from?
I'm from Japan. And you?
I'm from France. Where do you live now?
I'm living in Tokyo. What about you?
I'm based in Paris. How old are you?
I'm 22. How about you?
I'm 23. What's your job?
I'm a student. And you?
I work at a hospital. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one older sister. Do you have any siblings?
I have two brothers. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love exploring new places. What's your favorite food?
I'm a big fan of sushi. How about you?
I love pasta. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you have any?
No, I don't have any pets. What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies. What kind of music do you enjoy?
I enjoy listening to classical music. Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I can speak Japanese and English. What about you?
I can speak French and a bit of Spanish. What season do you like best?
I prefer summer. And you?
I like spring. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing tennis. Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer. Do you like movies?
Yes, my favorite movie is Inception. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love making Italian dishes. Do you have any hobbies?
I play the guitar and enjoy cycling. Do you play video games?
Yes, I do. What is your dream job?
I hope to be a scientist. And you?
I want to be a pilot. Do you have a favorite color?
Yes, green is my favorite color. Do you like reading news?
I sometimes read news online. Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I've visited Italy and Spain. Have you traveled outside of Japan?
Yes, I've been to the US and Canada. What do you usually do on weekends?
I like staying home or hanging out with friends. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes. Are you more of a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a morning person. What's your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day. Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I enjoy running at the park. Do you like dancing?
Yes, I enjoy dancing. What kind of TV shows do you like?
I like comedies. What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. What's yours?
I really like apples. What's your favorite drink?
I love coffee. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love spending time at the beach. Do you like cooking for others?
Yes, I enjoy cooking for my family. Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love to learn new things. Do you like art?
Yes, I like visiting art galleries. Do you play any musical instruments?
I play both the guitar and piano. What's your favorite flower?
I love roses. Do you prefer watching movies at home or in the theater?
I prefer going to the cinema. Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I grow vegetables in my garden. What's your favorite kind of weather?
I like sunny weather. What do you like?
I enjoy rainy days. Do you like concerts?
Yes, I love going to concerts. Do you like working alone or in a team?
I prefer working in a team. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes. What's your favorite dessert?
I love ice cream. How about you?
I'm a fan of chocolate cake. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea. Do you read before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax. I read every night. Do you enjoy trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new cuisines. Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks. Do you like theater?
Yes, I love watching plays. Do you like surprises?
Yes, surprises are fun. Do you wake up early or sleep in?
I like to get up early. And you?
I prefer sleeping in. Do you like flying?
Yes, I like traveling by plane. Do you enjoy writing?
Yes, I like writing stories. Do you prefer casual or formal clothes?
I like formal clothes.
I'm more into casual clothes. Do you eat fast food?
Occasionally. Do you enjoy camping?
Yes, I go camping in the summer.
I enjoy camping in the mountains. What's your favorite day of the week?
Friday is my favorite day. Do you ride bicycles?
Yes, I ride my bike on weekends. Do you read poems?
Yes, I enjoy poetry. Do you take photos?
Yes, I love photography and capturing moments.
Do you like visiting zoos?
Yes, I enjoy seeing the animals. Do you go fishing?
Yes, I like fishing with my family.
It was wonderful talking with you, John.
Yes, it was a pleasure, Lisa. Let's chat again soon.
Absolutely. Take care and have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.